What type of link building are you doing regularly to boost location and key service pages on the money site when you have 50 to 100? The same links that I build at Semantic Links. I do a combination of cloud pages, custom rebuilds, which are domains, expired domains with topical relevance that I register and then build single page HTML sites on, and now also niche relevant topic clustered PBN sites, which I build because again, that satisfies page level and domain level relevance, meaning when I build sites, what I call topic clustered sites or niche relevant sites, they're PBN or CMS content management system sites that all posts on the site are about one topic. And they're on domains that I've purchased that have topical trust flow in that topical category. So, and former content, at least even if it's not an exact match, at least in a related category. So I'm buying domains that the same domains that I use for custom rebuilds, which are single page HTML sites. Why do I do single page HTML sites on expired domains that were in a particular topical category? Because a single page HTML site, when you get a link from a single page HTML site that was topically relevant, you are satisfying page level relevance and domain level relevance all at the same time, because the page is the domain. Does that make sense? That's why it works. So after about 5 months of doing nothing but those, I realized, well, wait a minute, if it works on single page HTML sites for the reasons I just mentioned, because the page is the domain and they're both relevant, 100% topical match, then why not build PBN sites, CMSs, WordPress, and other platforms that are every single post on the site, it's on an expired domain that has topical trust flow in the appropriate category anyway, but then put every single post on that site about that one topic, right? So now, therefore, if I publish posts on that site, which I can publish more than just one post, with the single page HTML pages, it's one page, it's one article. That's it. So it's a one and done domain. But with the PBN niche relevant or topic clustered PBN sites, we can now publish more posts on that, and it's going to satisfy page level relevance and domain level relevance at the same time from every post on the site. Does that make sense? So again, yeah, those are the types of links. Cloud pages too. And cloud pages I use because of traditional metrics, right? Cloud pages have high authority traditional metrics, but they have zero trust flow, zero citation flow, which means they have zero topical trust flow. So what I do is I build cloud pages, and then I don't do cloud stacks where I build a bunch of other cloud pages to that cloud page. I do one cloud page or several cloud pages, but then I do topically relevant links to power up those cloud pages. So I push topical relevance into those pages. That's what I call a cloud stack. So that's what I do.